Ranch. Today we're gonna make a Hatch green chili, pork, pineapple fried rice on the Blackstone with Blue Rhino gas. Let's go! Our first step is to cut this pineapple in half, and then we're gonna hollow out the pineapple. This pineapple is gonna actually be the bowl that we serve the food out of once it's ready. Most local grocery stores have a variety of meats already prepped with the seasoning in them. I found this Hatch green chili one, I couldn't resist. So we're just gonna put this on the Blackstone, cook it on the grill. First, we're gonna hollow this out. Hollow this out. We're gonna take these pieces out, create in our bowl. That's good. Now that the pork's about 3/4 cooked, we're gonna add the pineapple from the center of the pineapples. We're gonna mix those in. We're gonna add a little of that old Waylon and Willie's seafood rub. Good on everything. And then after that, we're gonna heat this up, and then we're gonna add our rice. Now that it's ready, time to plate it up.